Hi guys, I am coming at you today with a lash lift unboxing. So this is a whole set that you would use to give a eyelash lift to your clients. Comes with all the goodies, comes just like this. Plus you get some information with it as well, and even like a consent form that you could use for your clients. Lash patches, you've got small through large. They're all color coded. They do a pink, a white, and a blue. The creams itself, so the lifting cream is going to come in a little individual packet. Same goes for the neutralizing lotion as well as the serum. They're just little one-time use packets. It keeps things very sanitary. Just going to show the patch itself so you can see what the patch looks like. Oops, what did I do with it? Here it is. You can see that. Basically, you hold that up to your lid. You should know what you're doing. Otherwise, they do have a video that you can watch to see how to do this, but you probably have been trained on it. Lash lift glue will come with it. You've got a tool here as well. This is great for holding things onto the eye, or any kind of fine detailing. You've got a comb right there as well. So that tool is very handy. Other tools that come with it, you've got the 3D iPad, 50 micro brushes and 25 mascara brushes. So those are all included in this box as well. There's some mascara, eye patches. The eye patches work really great. I actually wanted to try them to see how kind of like hydrating they were feeling. They were nice eye patches. And then you've also got the color cups here as well. Looks like that. So great little set, very affordable to get going on your lash lifts. Definitely recommend them. Check them out.